Welcome to another exciting episode of AI Frontiers, where the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence research are brought to light. Today, with a focus on advances in computer science and artificial intelligence, as of July 1, 2025, the mysteries of machine intelligence are explored together. Let's dive into the cutting-edge discoveries shaping the future of AI. Consider this surprising paradox in the world of AI. Advanced systems can write essays and create art with remarkable skill, yet they often stumble over simple puzzles that even a child might solve. Research highlights a significant gap in reasoning abilities despite their impressive outputs. What causes this disconnect between apparent skill and true understanding? This question sets the stage for the insights from today's papers as the depths of machine intelligence are investigated. Today's journey involves unpacking the latest frontiers in AI research. 9 groundbreaking papers from July 1, 2025 are reviewed, covering critical topics such as reasoning, safety, and the dream of general intelligence. The goal is to understand the trends shaping AI's future impact on society. A special spotlight is placed on one paper that could redefine machine safety. Join in exploring the fascinating intersection where code meets cognition as these studies push the boundaries of what machines can achieve. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can be likened to a sprawling city under construction. It's a field dedicated to mimicking human capabilities like speech recognition, vision, and decision-making. Some areas of this city, such as voice assistants, are already gleaming with functionality, while others remain unfinished blueprints full of potential. The significance of AI is profound, transforming industries, revolutionizing healthcare, and raising ethical questions. The papers discussed today contribute to building new districts in this ever-expanding city, addressing both its promises and challenges as the landscape of machine intelligence continues to evolve. One dominant theme in current AI research is reasoning and problem-solving in large language models. These text-trained systems are tested on complex tasks like playing chess or solving intricate puzzles. Much like students who excel at memorization but struggle with creative thinking, these models often predict words effectively, but falter when deep strategic thinking is required. This tension reveals a critical limitation in their ability to truly think outside predefined patterns. As studies probe these boundaries, the question remains: can AI be taught to reason strategically, or is it bound to mimic rather than innovate? Another critical theme is safety and reliability in autonomous agents. As AI takes on sensitive real-world tasks, ensuring it avoids harmful decisions becomes paramount. Research, including notable work by Hom and colleagues, focuses on methods to predict risks using cause and effect logic. Picture guardrails on a winding highway, essential for guidance, yet not foolproof against every danger. Such approaches are vital for building trust in AI applications, especially when errors could have serious consequences. The challenge lies in creating systems robust enough to anticipate and mitigate risks before they escalate into real-world problems. The quest for artificial general intelligence, or AGI, represents the dream of creating AI with human-like versatility. Current papers draw inspiration from neuroscience to map potential pathways toward AGI, though the destination remains as elusive as a mythical land. A key technical concept here is transfer learning, where skills learned in one domain are applied to another. However, most AI systems remain task-specific, struggling to generalize across diverse challenges. This theme underscores the gap between narrow expertise and the broader adaptability needed for true general intelligence, highlighting a frontier yet to be fully explored. Key findings from the reviewed papers can be seen as mini-stories of discovery in AI. One study shows a chess-playing AI improving with training, yet still lagging far behind human experts, revealing a persistent reasoning gap. Another unveils a safety method, detailed by Hom and team, that predicts risks in device control with impressive results. A third finding notes that AI excelling in math struggles to apply those skills to coding, pointing to limits in specialization. Finally, refined reasoning tests, such as those involving puzzles like Towers of Hanoi, demonstrate AI's potential when assessed fairly, debunking earlier failures. These insights collectively paint a picture of AI's brilliance alongside its notable blind spots, guiding future research directions. Now, attention turns to the paper of the day, a standout work titled Enhancing Large Language Model Agent Safety via Causal Influence, prompting authored by Donghyun Ham and team in 2025. This paper addresses a pressing issue: preventing catastrophic decisions by AI in critical tasks, such as managing medical or financial systems. Their innovative approach, known as causal influence prompting, offers a promising solution by mapping out the consequences of decisions. This work stands out because safety is non-negotiable for trust in AI, making it a pivotal contribution to the field's responsible development in high-stakes environments. Delving into the mechanics of Ham and colleagues' safety breakthrough, their method involves creating diagrams that trace actions to potential outcomes, whether beneficial or harmful. The process is structured in 3 steps: building a cause and effect map based on task rules and risks, using it to guide AI decisions in real time, and updating it as new consequences emerge. Tested on practical tasks like coding and device management, this approach significantly reduced risky behaviors. Think of it as equipping AI with a crystal ball to foresee disasters, a capability that fosters trust in high-stakes applications and paves the way for safer deployment in the real world. Evaluating the impact of Ham and team's work reveals both strengths and limitations. A key strength lies in its practical application, enhancing safety for AI in critical domains like medical and financial systems. However, a notable limitation is the reliance on foresight in crafting these causal diagrams, as unforeseen risks might still slip through the cracks. This research serves as a powerful reminder to embed safety as a core principle in AI design, rather than an afterthought. It's a call to action for responsible innovation, prompting reflection on what hidden risks might still lurk beyond current understanding, and how the field can better anticipate them. Looking toward the future, AI research points to a horizon where machines might reason through chaos and operate with robust safety nets. Critical needs include developing smarter tests for true understanding, integrating ethical considerations, and drawing from brain-inspired designs. Envision AI as a ship being built for stormy seas. Each study strengthens its hull and sharpens its compass, preparing it for unpredictable challenges. The ultimate destination is a world where AI amplifies human potential without endangering the present, a vision that balances thrilling possibilities with the daunting responsibility of ensuring safe and principled progress. As this exploration concludes, a recap of AI's frontier is in order. The journey began with the startling reality of AI's brilliance, hiding significant reasoning gaps. Key themes such as safety, exemplified by Ham and team's work, along with reasoning and the pursuit of general intelligence, were central to the discussion. The paper of the day showcased a safety innovation with tangible real-world impact, though much work remains. What lies ahead for machine thought, and how can these frontiers be pushed further? Thoughts and ideas are welcomed. Engage with these papers and share perspectives using #AIFrontiers to keep the conversation alive. A note on how this content was crafted. This presentation was created using AI tools including GPT-Grok, Model Grok 3 for content generation. Text-to-speech synthesis was powered by DeepGram for audio narration, while image generation was supported by Grok for accompanying visuals. Human experts reviewed the material to ensure accuracy and insight. While every effort was made to be thorough, minor oversights are possible, and references are provided for further exploration. This blend of technology and human oversight aims to deliver reliable and engaging updates on AI research advancements. Thank you for joining this episode of AI Frontiers. Subscribe to stay updated on cutting-edge AI research as it unfolds. AI Frontiers is a channel dedicated to exploring technology's boldest edges, diving deep into the future of artificial intelligence every day. Share your thoughts online with #AIFrontiers and become part of a community shaping tomorrow's intelligence. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses content from the arXiv preprint server under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by the arXiv preprint server.